So over here, straight ahead, well, actually over here on the left-hand side,
Yeah.
that's the chapel that was built by Bishop LeMay back in the 1850s. And on either side,
Alright guys, so we just made it to this amazing hotel. We're making another travel vlog. I love filming these travel vlogs and they're super cool to make and experience the things that they have here. There's a lot of cool stuff here. I can't even see the view right now. Got some bushes and brush in the way, but this is all open right here. It's super cool. So we got a fireplace. We're starting things off different. We're gonna start in the back. So we got a nice fireplace right here. Nice sitting lounge area right here. Super sweet. Look at this all glass door on the inside, super nice. So walking in, you got another fireplace in here. This fireplace is activated by this switch right here. Got a TV, sitting area, super nice rug, another nice rug, bed. Look at this lamp right here. So they give us this flashlight. This is what you do to walk around if you want to walk around at night. It helps. Got the stone here, I guess, for laundry service. Pretty cool. And the sick lamp made of wood. Now, the thing that impresses me the most is this bathroom. The tile work in here, the way they have all the slabs of countertops, the shower is like crystal clear. That's a toilet, but it's a cool toilet. Look at how skinny it is. Black shower head, super nice, and that's a massive fan, I think. Got a sick mirror there. Got all this stuff here. Then over in here, you got your coffee machine with your natural spring water. All this stuff is on the house. Got your coffee stuff right there. Then you got a refrigerator filled with some more of that spring water, some Coke and stuff. Also, all of that is on the house. Is super sick. And these lights also turn off once you close the door. Super sick trusses on the roof. Decor on the walls and the curtains. Super nice. I think there might be more window here. Yep. So that's sick. Got the bullhead, lamp, cabinet. Got a curtain here and super sick full body mirror. Nice door. I like my doors. And curtain right here. Oops. Filled with stuff. So that's cool. Yeah guys, so just gonna relax now. Took about 2-3 hours to get here. So we're just gonna relax for a bit, eat our food, get some rest, and I'll show you guys the rest of the cool stuff here, which includes horseback riding and fishing and pool and a bunch of sick stuff. I'll show you guys all that. And did I mention that they get you in and out from the room to the lobby and everything? They transport you all around the whole hotel facility, because this is a few hundred acres, I think 300 acres or something. And they transfer you all around through like a super enclosed golf cart, and super nice people operating those golf carts. All right guys, so the service here is also super great. We mentioned to them that we were wondering if the restaurant was open. They said it was closed, but they brought us food, which is super sick. Watching the Monaco race right now. Alright guys, so I didn't quite go to sleep yet. I found this robe lying around and took a shower, freshened up a little bit. And I'm just, looking around at the very nice selection of snacks and drinks that they have laid out around here. So, take a look. So, I found some chocolate, some dark chocolate, some fancy chocolates, pistachios. There's a towel right there. Some green chili caramel popcorn. I'll pass on that for now. Got some Cosmo nuts. Not sure what kind of nuts are these. Walnuts. And we got some pecans. So that selection of snacks is nice. And then they also gave us a sandwich and some Fritos and some very nice water. I like this bottle a lot. Yeah. But yeah, guys, tomorrow I'll show you all this other super cool stuff tomorrow in the morning. Alright, guys, so it is the next day now. We got the view of the valley right there that we're going to take a look at real quick. And then we're going to go inside, freshen up, get ready for the day. Alright, guys, so we got the valley view right here. Super sick, and it's really peaceful here. You can hear all the birds. And all the bugs and stuff too. Yeah, guys, let's go inside, freshen up, and let's get ready for the big day. Alright, good Good morning, everybody. So, today is going to be a jam-packed day with a lot of fun stuff to do. We even figured out some more stuff here that there's to do in the daytime. So, a couple things we're going to do. We're probably going to we're going to see, these aren't guaranteed things that we're going to do, but these are things we're going to take a look at and see if they're available to do for today. There's fishing, there's horseback riding, I think there's a bunch of other activities that I can't remember. They got their own restaurant on the whole property. They call it a Skyfire. And we have our own private chauffeur. He'll drive us around the whole property, and he'll even take us into the city and drive us around there too, which is super crazy. I've never heard of any hotel that has done this before. This is by far the nicest hotel ever that I've been at so far. So yeah, guys, now the first thing to do in the morning is we gotta go get some breakfast. So let's go to the restaurant and get some breakfast.
My pleasure.
Alright guys, we got the food. I forgot to film that, but let's get our first taste test reactions. Alright guys, so we made it back. The food is really good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the heated pool in the hot tub, I think. So let's grab our swim trunks and let's head out there. Alright guys, made it to the pool. It's heated, it's sweet, it's awesome. We got some lounge chair things over there too. Let's grab some towels though. This is very nicely set up. Get one towel. And I'll get two. This is like the lounge seating area. There's like no one here. It's like a cool table. Oh, this is nice. Alright, I think I'm gonna hop in the pool though. Alright guys, well, I guess since we're at the pool, I have to take the camera with me. Whew. Yeah, this pool's heated. Alright guys, that about wraps it up at the pool. Waiting for our shuttle to come. Go back to the room and freshen up. Alright, it's time to leave the hotel.
This one's 500,000.
Alright guys, we're looking at some sheep made products here. Sheep skin rugs or something. These are pretty cool. But I saw something kind of cool but also weird at the same time, just because of, if you think about it, what it is. But it's a sheep made out of a sheep. So well, there's that for you. It's kind of fluffy though, so that's nice. But these are some really nice carpets and rugs. Alright guys, we're taking some fishing lessons now. Fly fishing, this is pretty fun.
So this is actually what's called a, oh look at those bass.
Let's get a video of that. Oh, he's gone. Alright guys, so we are back home now, but that is going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely love making these. Leave your comments and thoughts down below. Let me know if you guys like these travel vlogs too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!